Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your GoPro Fusion 360 with an Android phone. This video is for Android phones. If you have an iPhone you can also follow this tutorial, but there is a video on our channel on how to connect with an iPhone if you want to have more detailed info about iPhone connection. And also, if you want to set it up without a phone, without an app, you can also find a video on our channel on how to set it up without an app. So I'm gonna proceed. First, you need to download the GoPro Quick app from the Play Store. So I have it downloaded already. Just find it in Play Store and download it. And then you can open it. And before we proceed with the app, I'm gonna first turn on the camera. So I don't have a battery inserted yet and the SD cards. So first you need to open this door right here by clicking on this button, then sliding them down and opening them. And here you need to insert the battery and two SD cards, which are sold separately. And yes, you need two SD cards because with one it will not work. So first I'm gonna put the SD cards in, then the battery, because it's easier that way, but you can also do it the other way. So the logo on the SD cards has to be facing the inside, has to be facing the battery, and you can put it in until it clicks. So you can see that this logo faces the inside and this as well. Let's put it in. Now take the battery and put it in, and the logo should be facing the side with the screen, like that. So it's aligned correctly then, just like that. And now you can close the door. And now you can turn on your camera by pressing and holding on this button. Then it will say Fusion. And now you can select the language. To go to a next item on the list, just click on this button, and to approve, click on the rec button. Just like that. I'm gonna set it to English. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then if you want to turn on GPS, I'm gonna click on yes. Then you can turn on voice control. I'm gonna click on no. Then if you want to connect to GoPro app. And before you click on that, I'm gonna click on continue as guest, but you can also sign in to the app and click on that you own a GoPro. Then click on yes. And now I'm gonna click on yes here and click on connect a camera. I'm gonna allow nearby devices and it's found. You can click on connect. Then I'm gonna click on pair. Now it says paired, and I've inserted the SD cards wrong and I need to swap them. So I'm gonna do it in a moment, but the GoPro is ready now. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.